Ahoy mateys! Today I'll be showing how to cycle options in Chainge. An option cycle is where you use funds from selling options you wrote to acquire more assets to write and sell even more options as to maximize time value extraction as much as possible. I start with $100 USDT and go to buy spot FSN by clicking swap. Switch to FSN, look over the slippage before clicking exchange now and proceed with signing. Then I use the earn feature by clicking earn, switching to FSN, using almost a full balance, but leaving at least one FSN for gas. Then I go to the banking tab, scroll right and pick options, write call options and switch to FSN call options. I manually enter close to the full balance of TFFSN and proceed with write call options. When I wrote the options, I go to swap on the home screen and switch from spot trading to options at the top. After this, switch from buy to sell and from Chainge to FSN call options. Then click max and sell option. This was one cycle. As you can see, I ended up with 56 USDT. But I also have something else. If I go to the home screen, click my FSN balance and scroll down to call options balance. At the very bottom it says, redeemable after exercising due date, 336 FSN call options. Each is worth 1 FSN at the end of the year, or 20 cents, which is the strike price, should someone exercise the options. Currently, FSN is trading much higher than strike price. So the likely scenario is not that we get the FSN back, but that we at some point get paid 20 cents for each. So, most likely we will receive 67 USDT before year end. To conclude, we have in total created 56 liquid USDT and 67 illiquid USDT from a starting amount of 100 liquid USDT. Our total wealth has increased by 23%, and we could, if we desired, continue to increase a remaining 56 liquid USDT with another 23%. In that case, we would have increased our wealth by 36%, but only 30 USDT would remain liquid. Compared to Chainge Earn, it is great. Chainge Earn USDT will only give you 10% APY. 36% or more is much higher, and unlike time-framed USDT, our balance is likely to fully become liquid spot USDT again sooner than the year end. This was recorded on March 16, 2023. It has been a long-standing opportunity, but is dependent on the interaction of spot price, option price, strike price, current TF rate, yield popularity for liquidity providers for both spot and options, and many other factors. A similar, but different opportunity is likely to exist at any time. Best of luck in your time extraction ventures. Fortune awaits those who explore them properly.